Hi lovelies, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much to all our loyal subscribers, and for the new members of the family, you're highly welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to give this video that thumbs up, comment, and also share it with your family and friends. I believe that they will have a lot to benefit. And of course, this video we are focusing on the health benefits of green tea for women, so make sure you share it with a sister out there, right? So here I have my green tea leaves. I've poured some into this place, and I have lemon, half lemon. It's frozen and it's beginning to defrost now, and I'm going to add it to the green tea. So hold on while I pour my hot water and we continue the conversation. So I've poured the hot water here. It's just hot, not boiling hot. You know, green tea is one tea that, because you're mindful of the health benefits you want to get from it, you don't want anything to be destroyed while making it. So you don't need boiling water that you just pour out from your kettle. After boiling it in your kettle, just allow some minutes for the water to cool off a bit, right? And then the next thing you want to do is to I've did this in this, so I may just, okay, let's see what can happen.
2 spoons.
1 teaspoon is okay. Don't mind the voice you're hearing behind. So you leave it so that it will steep. And if you have tea bags, you can also bag it yourself, or you buy the ones that are already bagged. And so because green tea is high in many benefits, and of course with all natural products, you may find 1 or 2 side effects, and because of that I usually like to add lemon, majorly because of course green tea contains little of caffeine. So as with caffeine, you know that when you're taking any drink that has caffeine, you endeavor to add things that will help iron absorption. So because of the little caffeine that green tea has, it's good to add your lemon to it so that it does not affect your iron absorption. And for those who have conditions that may have predisposed them to iron deficiency, maybe fibroids or even anemia, or ulcers, ensure that you always add your lemon to your green tea, or make sure that you take your green tea 1 hour or 2 hours after meal or before meal. That's if you don't have ulcers, but if you have ulcer, usually take it after your meal, so that, because it has a level of acidity as well. But in all, green tea is a very healthy tea. And for women, green tea is a powerhouse that you don't want to miss for anything. It's great for your bone health. Green tea is also great for preventing cancers. It's anti-inflammatory. It's helpful to prevent oxidation, damage of cells. And this is pointing to one reason why it's good for women a lot, because you need your cells for ovulation, for all the ovulatory processes and things that go on to ensure that you have a healthy cycle, conception, and all of that. So green tea is one thing that you need to add to your diet, even on a daily basis if you can. It's also great for bone health. Women suffer a lot of bone issues, waist pain, joint pain, and all that, but adding things like this would help you to prevent that, help you. At my age, I can still somersault, do a lot of things that some persons in their in this age cannot do. My flexibility, my stability is still very, very good. Okay, so what else does it do? green tea also helps with memory. For those who have given birth, you realize that once you have your first pregnancy, it's like your mommy brain just starts behaving funny. So green tea is one thing that you can add to help reduce or even correct it, right? I've had my own fair share of mommy brain, and I can say I'm doing very well in having it controlled and all that. And this is one reason that studies have shown that it can be used to treat and prevent things like Alzheimer, Parkinson's diseases and all that. Then green tea is great for weight loss because of the antioxidants in it. It helps promote that fullness. It's called fullness feeling, right? So when you take green tea, it helps you control hunger. And then it helps with blood sugar regulation. So what happens is that the carbohydrate or whatever you're eating coming into your system doesn't just cause your blood sugar levels to rise and in a few hours it crumbles. No, it regulates it and ensures that all the processes are going on smoothly. And the good thing about this blood sugar regulating benefit of green tea is that it's not just only for the benefit of maintaining your weight or helping you lose weight. You know, when we talk about hormones, one of the key hormones that women need to see that it's working appropriately is your insulin. So green tea is that tea that would support your insulin and help your insulin to regulate the sugar that comes into your body, you know, how the uptake is going and all that, and how it's coming down, you know. So for that reason, green tea makes it to top of the list what you must be taking for whether it's for weight loss, for your hormone health, and other reasons that you will find as we go on. Now, also because of this insulin support that green tea gives you, you find that for those who have fibroids or PCOS, endometroisis, green tea comes in very, very handy. A number of studies have been done regarding the importance or health benefits of green tea for endometriosis, for instance, and he found out that green tea helped in reducing the growth of the linings, the lesions that occur because of endometriosis. Okay, so you need to include this for PCOS. In fact, there are supplements available with green tea that support those who have PCOS. So it's confirmed. Both clinical trials have been done, animal studies have been done on the health benefits of green tea to correct PCOS and other anovulatory conditions that may be affecting you as a woman, whether you're trying to conceive or you've conceived, but you're just ensuring to maintain a healthy and happy hormone, right? So these and many more are some of the reasons why you must include green tea in your diet, especially in this new year. Okay guys, lest I forget, so because this is green tea leaves and it may feel somehow in the mouth when you're trying to sip it or drink it, so you can drain it with this, and there are other tea drainers that are out there in the market. You can get some of it and you just put your tea in it and strain it. So lastly, I'm going to add my lemon. If I like, I may add molasses or little honey, but I don't think I want to add honey especially. I may add molasses because of the nutrients and other things, especially the stress fighting nutrients and all, right? And then the fact that it helps my hormones. I don't know, I have special love for molasses, and I think every woman should. Okay, so thank you so much for getting to the end of this video, just in case there's a myth or something you're not clear about concerning green tea, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section so that I can help you clarify. And if it's also not related to green tea and is a topic that you want me to talk about, go ahead and drop it there, so it may just be the next video that you will see on your screen. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. We are one family, and 2023 is your year of great health, your year of conception if you're looking forward to conceiving, and many great things ahead. Love you. Cheers. Bye.